Welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you all? And I'm fine. Thank you so much for all your love and support in my last videos. And today, as you can see, I'm wearing a traditional dress because today I am reacting to something different, that is Coke Studio, Abida Parveen and Rahat Fateh Ali Khan Chap Tilak. And I have not seen this video, but I have heard about this song. I have heard this song, but not this version, and I'm really a big fan of Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, and I'm really excited to hear Abida Parveen also. So I hope you all like it, and do like my video if you like my reaction, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon to get notification from my channel. And if you want me to react to more Coke Studios, do tell me. Comment down below who's your favorite singer, and other comments also you can tell me. And I'm really excited for this, and without wasting much time I would like to start. Okay, so let me just set my laptop. Okay, so Coke Studio, Rahat Fateh Ali Khan, Abida Parveen, Chap Tilak starts now. Okay, I just want to say that I'm a big fan of bold voices. I really like bold voices. Like we have Saniti Chauhan. I like that kind of voice, and she's having very beautiful voice, and the notes she's hitting, I mean, it's very beautiful. I mean I'm already into it. I already fell in love with her. So now what will Rahat Fateh Ali Khan do? Oh my god, I mean, she is already at a high level, and let's see. Okay.
जब रहे गुरु के संग मौला ओ जी मौला खुसरो बाजी प्रेम की जो मैं खेली पी के संग जीत गई तो पिया जो मैं हारी पी के संग सब छीने मुझसे लेना
I really love this fusion of classical and western music. They have blended it so well with the tabla and the drums together. If you can hear, both are sounding so nice together. And vocals, obviously, they all are perfect singers, perfect. They are perfect singers, perfect vocalist. So what should I say, it's just perfection. Just to hear them, it's like a peaceful journey which we are going through. So let's continue. I got goosebumps. I got goosebumps. Oh my god. He is so talented and so much experience. He is having so much. I mean, what should I say? Oof. I want to go back and listen to that part again. 1 minute. Okay. Oh, okay. I have to go back. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Again, we will go back. Okay. Guys, get ready for this. I mean, extra super singing. I don't know what to say. Just come on, let's go again. I really love this song. Before the song ends, I want to say that, oh my god, such talented singers, and I am so happy that I am able to watch this, and I hope you all also liked it. And please comment down more songs like these. Sufi songs, I love listening to them. More Coke Studio performances you want me to react to. Liked it, and please comment down more songs like these. Sufi songs, I love listening to them. More Coke Studio performances you want me to react to.